What?
Where you from?
Alabama, where you from?
Oh, I'm from Africa,
Oh, what part?
Cameroon.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah. What's your name?
Tierra, what's your name?
Jerome.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
22.
Oh, I'm saying. Why can't I see your face though? Why
You
you?
would?
Why? I'm 22.
Oh.
Why you hiding your face though? Is there a reason for
Because
that?
you hiding yours.
Yeah, but I asked first, so show me yours and I'll show you mine.
Oh my God. I'm shy.
Nah, don't be. I'm sure you look cute. Why you shy? Hey, you look cute. Okay.
Thank you.
Damn. You got an Instagram?
No, I don't.
Ah, shit. You got a Snapchat?
No, I don't have any social media.
Damn, I can't just let you pass by.
Thank you.
You got a phone number though.
Yeah, I got a number. I got a number.
Alright, can I have that? I'm gonna be respectful.
I don't know.
I'm gonna be respectful.
Okay. I can type you my number.
Type shit. Damn.
Don't be on no weird shit.
Nah, for sure. I won't. You look good.
Okay. Thank you.
Damn. Alright, I'ma text you. So you can chop it up on there. Alright, cool.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
You too.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.